Hey everyone! In this video, we're going to take a look at preview mode in Simplebooklet and how you can use it to see your booklet exactly the way your audience will. So we're going to get started here on the Simplebooklet dashboard, and we're going to click the cover image of any Simplebooklet to open the full version of preview mode. You can also open preview while you're working in Edit, Design, or Record, just by clicking the preview button in the top right corner. At the top of preview mode, you can switch between desktop, mobile, and tablet views to make sure your booklet looks right on different devices. You can also quickly change your page flip, jump back into design, edit, or record, or try a different theme without leaving preview. When you're ready to distribute your booklet, just click share in the top right corner to jump straight to your sharing options. When you open preview from the dashboard, you'll also see a setup panel on the left-hand side. From here, you can use an AI-powered glow up, jump into your customization tools, share your booklet, or troubleshoot any conversion issues you might have. If you're seeing blurry images, broken fonts, or layout problems, click Troubleshoot, then select Rebuild your Simplebooklet. Simplebooklet will reconvert your file and return you to preview mode so you can check the result. Preview mode is a quick way to test your reader experience, make final adjustments, and make sure everything is ready before you share. And that's it for this video. Make sure to check out our other tutorials for more ways to get the most out of Simplebooklet. Thanks for watching.